Hey, it's Courtney Starr from 103.5 The Weasel. First of the year. Can you believe 2018?
2018.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Do you remember when you were young and you would think about how old you would be in any particular year?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. And now here we are, 2018.
I can't believe it. I'm getting so
Right,
close to 40. It's not even. It's coming.
It's coming.
But what we're doing is start of a new year. You know, think about just cleansing everything, starting over a new chapter. We're making the Dixie Detox.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are. This one's perfect for after the gym.
Let me tell you, I was on Pinterest the other night, Sarah, and I was looking through like detox things, because that's what you normally do at the beginning of the year, you know, looking through all that stuff.
It's time.
And there was nothing, it was boring. But you have discovered something amazing. It's Dixie Vodka that we're gonna put in there, right?
It's gluten-free and it's
Gluten-free.
GMO-free. Feels like a salad to me.
Hey, I'm on board.
Well, we will start out, we're gonna keep it pretty healthy, just not too healthy. We'll start out with just 1 ounce of Dixie Southern gluten-free vodka.
Okay, all right. Okay, and this is an ounce.
That
right
one's an
here.
ounce.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. See, doesn't that feel little?
It does. Okay, 1 ounce.
And then we're gonna do a ½ ounce of honey syrup. So it's just equal parts honey and water. So instead of doing sugar and water, we used honey, which that feels healthy and natural.
It does. I love honey. And I've never had it quite like that before, where you put it in a drink like that and, you know, equal parts water and everything.
It just makes it a little, it's not so thick and it won't sink down to
Sure.
your drink. You've already loosened it up a little bit. So now we're gonna add a lemon, a lime, an orange, and a grapefruit.
Oh, you said. See, now this is the healthy part, right?
It is.
Just add it in. Don't need to
Just
squeeze it or
Push
anything.
them down in there. You can
Okay.
give them a little squeeze, get some of the juice out.
Get that in there. So it's all in there.
And maybe a grapefruit in there too.
Oh, I forgot the grapefruit.
Grapefruit is really good for detox. It's really good for your liver, I think.
I mean, all of this is so fresh, and so we're gonna just get that in there. Okay.
Now we'll top it with soda and leave just a whisper of room at the top.
Okay. How's that?
That's
Is that enough, you
perfect.
think? Okay.
And then we're gonna use a little pomegranate juice, full of antioxidants.
It is, yeah.
And you can buy, there's a few different brands on the market, or you can juice your own pomegranate seeds, which feels like a lot of work.
Well, I'd rather just do that.
Me
I mean,
too.
you know.
Especially after you came from the gym. And we'll just
Sure.
add a little splash to the top.
And that's it?
That's it. You can
Oh,
just maybe
my
give it a
goodness.
teeny stir with your knife, or
You know, I'm gonna have to do this every day.
Yes.
I mean, detox, I mean, you know.
you're trying to detox. It's 2018. We
know.
don't need to sit
Get
in a
rid
hut
of the old and hello to the new.
not drink anything.
Oh, that's so refreshing. I mean, very fruity, very refreshing. It tastes good. Dixie Southern Vodka. Start the new year off with one of these. Sarah, thank you so much for coming by
Thank
and
you,
showing
Courtney.
me.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Go to wecl.com/Dixie Drinks for all the recipes.
103.5 The Weasel.